Well, I guess the market doesn't like tariffs right now. So as expected, the tariffs were announced yesterday, and the market it's a sea of red. We're back down. Bitcoin's running around 82 and 83, but there's actually a silver lining to all this. And you always have to look for what can I do in a down market. I mean, I'm not just talking about DCAing. I'm talking about thinking ahead. So with that, every single day is an adventure in crypto. And if you need someone to show you what's going on, hit a subscribe now. I'd love to see you on a regular and reoccurring basis. We put out new shows every single day. Let me show you all the mistakes I've made so you don't make the same mistakes. And when I hear of opportunity, I'm going to share them with you. So with that, we're talking about crypto tax harvesting. Now, you probably aren't thinking about tax harvesting for next year's taxes for 2025. You're probably not thinking about this right now, but now is a great time to think about it. If you are a bullish long-term like me, and you think the bottom's kind of close to bottoming, the market's close to bottoming out, which I believe it is, now is the perfect time to think about crypto tax harvesting. And if you don't know what that is, we're going to talk all about it right now. So look, right now we've got Bitcoin. There's this downward descending pattern. It's kind of wedging up. It looks like it's fitting right within these. We busted through this ceiling of resistance on this downward descending channel. Didn't hold though. So it didn't hold. It's got rejected numerous times. So I don't know how much lower Bitcoin can go. I guess it can go a lot lower. I think the stock market's going to open up terrible today. And with that, Bitcoin hasn't become that flight to quality asset yet, or risk off during risk off times. But we'll see. But right now, I do see an opportunity. And I took advantage. I'm about to take advantage of this morning. But look at this. Lots of red. And if you own most of these coins or some of these coins, you're down 20, 30, 40, 50%. And if you're like me, and this is not financial advice. And more importantly than ever, I am not your crypto tax advisor, nor am I your tax advisor, nor am I your financial advisor. And if you, after watching this show, if you want to act upon this, make sure you talk to a professional who's actually, does this for a living. I do this for fun. So I'll show you what I'm doing. But before we get to that, look, a lot of red. Fear, very, very high fear. Could we go lower on this index and show more extreme fear? Probably. But, look, some of the lowest numbers we've seen were like 15. So we're not too far off of that right now. So the question a lot of people are asking, is this the bottom of the market? Now, I can't tell you that for sure. There's probably going to be some more pain. And especially if more countries announce counter tariffs and other crazy things, there could be more pain in the market. So the market might go down further. Who knows? But right now, I'm kind of playing the odds, and I'm going to show you what I'm doing. But crypto tax harvesting, what is that? So basically, if you're at a loss on a crypto and you sell it at a loss, and you can realize that loss against it's capital gain loss against a capital gain. So you can offset your gains with losses, so you pay less taxes on cryptos. Again, I'm just showing you what I found and what I'm doing. Make sure you talk to a licensed professional for tax advising that specializes in crypto, before making a decision this is right for you. But what I did is and this is not sponsored content, by the way, but I've subscribed to a couple of these things. They don't pay me for this, and I'm using CoinTracker for this one. In CoinTracker, they have a tax loss harvesting feature, and I put one account in here that I'm down, $17,000 in, and it's one of my crypto accounts, and this one shows the potential of max harvesting loss. So if I sold my Algorand, I don't know if you can see that, but right here there's Algorand. This is on Kraken. I guess I have two accounts in here, but I have one on Kraken that has about 12,000 Algorand. My market value is 2,100. My cost basis is 5,700. You're like, Joe, you're an idiot. Well, I'm going to sell this and realize that loss now. I'm going to sell this and realize that loss now. And here's the coolest thing. And you can't do this with stocks right now. There is no wash rule. So in stocks, if I sold it to realize the loss, I'd have to wait a predetermined amount of time, typically 30 days or 60 days, to buy back that same or similar asset. So I couldn't buy this back right away. If this was a stock, I couldn't buy it back right now. The cool thing about crypto is if I sell this right now, then I could buy it back right after I sell it and hold it long term. And I've already realized a loss. That's crazy. There's no wash rule currently. Now, that's one thing to watch out for. There's currently no wash rule with cryptos. That could change. So make sure you pay attention. Now, if I do sell it, if I did this, I would only buy it back if I want to hold that asset long term because it's all over the place. But this is something I'm about to execute to realize some losses so I can offset any gains, because I have gains in other accounts that I don't want to mess up. This was for my one of my bot trading accounts, and it's down because the assets are down, but that, it still trades and makes money. But that being said, I'm going to go ahead and sell these today, some of them, to realize those losses so I can buy back in. And next year I'll have, hopefully, unless they change the wash rule, I'll have some advantages for my taxes. So if you do that, this is CoinTracker. I have an affiliate code down below. It's just an affiliate code. They didn't pay me for this, but I might as well tell you what I'm doing, and this is what I'm doing, so I might as well share that with you. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, put them down below. I would love to hear from you. Are you doing this crypto tax harvesting? Are you trying to find the silver lining in this market? If you are, put a comment down below, like, share, comment, do all those things. With that, I'll see you next time.